The English language has over 170,000 words in current use. 170,000. And yet, right now, today, I'm going to hand you exactly 100 of them. And I promise you, these 100 words alone will let you construct thousands of real sentences and understand a huge percentage of everyday conversation. You don't need a dictionary. You need this list. Comment "ready" right now if you're actually going to follow along and say these words out loud with us, not just watch passively, because that one decision is the difference between a video you forget by tomorrow and a list that actually changes how you speak. Welcome to Speakora English Flow. I'm Luna, and this is day 16 of our 30-day English Fluency Challenge. Today, we're covering 100 of the most essential, highest frequency words in English, organized into 10 simple groups of 10, so nothing feels overwhelming and everything feels usable immediately.
Hi, everyone. And honestly, Lona, I remember feeling completely paralyzed early on by how many words exist in English. It felt like an impossible mountain. Knowing there's actually a small, powerful core list like this would have changed everything for me at the start.
That paralysis you're describing, Adam, is incredibly common, and it's actually based on a myth, the idea that you need thousands of words before you can speak. In reality, a small set of high-frequency words does the vast majority of the work in everyday English. Let's prove that right now. Group 1, pronouns and basics, 10 words. I, you, he, she, it, we, they, my, your, is. Let's use just these 10 words in a sentence right now. Adam, try it.
I is... Wait, that's not right. I am. You are. He is.
Perfect catch. And that's actually a great bridge into group 2, being and helping verbs. 10 more words. Am, are, was, were, have, has, do, does, can, will. Combine these with group 1 now.
I am ready. You are my friend. He has a car. I can help you.
Beautifully done. 20 words and already real, meaningful sentences. Everyone watching, pause right now and make one sentence using only words from these first 2 groups. Then comment it below. I genuinely want to see what you create with just 20 words. All right, Adam, let's keep building. Group 3, common action verbs, 10 words. Go, come, see, know, want, need, like, make, take, get. Let's combine these with everything so far.
I want to go home. Do you know this place? I need to see you.
Excellent. 30 words now and full natural sentences. Group 4, question words, 10 more. What, who, where, when, why, how, which, whose, whom, how much. These are essential for actually starting conversations, not just answering them.
What is your name? Where do you live? How much is this?
Perfect. 40 words, and now you can both answer and ask. Let's put this into a real role play. Situation 1, meeting someone new using only words from our first 40.
Okay, ready.
Hi, what is your name?
I'm Adam. What is your name?
I am Luna. Where do you go now?
I go home. I want to see you again.
Beautifully natural, and every single word came from our list so far. Let's continue with group 5, everyday nouns, 10 words. Time, day, people, way, thing, place, work, home, food, money. Combine these now.
I like this place. I need more time. This is a good thing.
50 words, halfway there already. Comment right now if you're surprised how much you can already say with exactly half the list. I want to see that realization happening in real time in the comments. Let's continue. Group 6, common adjectives, 10 words. Good, bad, big, small, happy, easy, hard, new, old, important. Try combining these.
This is a good day. I am happy. This work is hard, but important.
Beautiful. 60 words. Group 7, prepositions, 10 essential connectors. In, on, at, to, for, with, from, about, of, by. These small words carry enormous weight in English.
I go to work. I am with my friend. This is for you.
Perfect, 70 words. Let's role-play situation 2 now, a short conversation about weekend plans using only words from our first 70.
Okay, ready.
What do you want to do today?
I want to go to a new place with my friend. It is a big day for us.
Beautifully natural and completely built from 70 simple high-frequency words. Let's finish the list now with the final 30 and lock everything in with repetition. Okay, Adam, let's complete the list. Group 8, connectors, 10 words. And, but, or, because, so, if, when, that, also, then. These words link your ideas together.
I like this, but it is hard. I want to go, so I will.
80 words. Group 9, numbers and quantity, 10 more. 1, 2, some, many, few, all, more, most, every, no. Essential for describing amounts.
I have some money. I need more time. I want no problems.
90 words, and Group 10, the final 10, everyday connector words. Please, thanks, yes, no, okay, sorry, here, there, now, today. These carry huge social and emotional weight despite their small size.
Please help me. Thanks a lot. I am sorry. Yes, okay, I understand.
100 words, complete. Now, repetition round. Let's move through all 10 groups quickly, out loud, one more time.
Ready.
Group 1, I, you, he, she, it, we, they, my, your, is.
I, you, he, she, it, we, they, my, your, is.
Group 2, am, are, was, were, have, has, do, does, can, will.
Am, are, was, were, have, has, do, does, can, will.
Group 3, go, come, see, know, want, need, like, make, take, get.
Go, come, see, know, want, need, like, make, take, get.
Group 4, what, who, where, when, why, how, which, whose, whom, how much.
What, who, where, when, why, how, which, whose, whom, how much.
Group 5, time, day, people, way, thing, place, work, home, food, money.
Time, day, people, way, thing, place, work, home, food, money.
Group 6, good, bad, big, small, happy, easy, hard, new, old, important.
Good, bad, big, small, happy, easy, hard, new, old, important.
Group 7, in, on, at, to, for, with, from, about, of, by.
In, on, at, to, for, with, from, about, of, by.
Group 8, and, but, or, because, so, if, when, that, also, then.
And, but, or, because, so, if, when, that, also, then.
Group 9, 1, 2, some, many, few, all, more, most, every, no.
1, 2, some, many, few, all, more, most, every, no.
Group 10, please, thanks, yes, no, okay, sorry, here, there, now, today.
Please, thanks, yes, no, okay, sorry,
Here, there, now, today.
Fantastic! All 100 words fully repeated. Now, instead of new vocabulary today, since the entire episode is vocabulary, let's talk about strategy, how to actually use this list going forward.
I love that idea because honestly, having the list is one thing, but knowing what to do with it is another.
Exactly, Adam. Here's the real strategy. These 100 words aren't meant to be memorized as an isolated list. They're meant to be combined endlessly in new configurations every single day. With just these words, you can already build thousands of unique, correct sentences. The goal isn't to add new words yet. The goal is to get incredibly comfortable combining these 100 first.
That actually reframes the whole list for me. It's not the finish line, it's the toolbox.
Beautifully said, Adam. That's exactly the right way to think about it. Let's wrap up with a quiz, some focused tips, and your challenge before day 17. And don't forget, comment your own 3-word sentence using only today's list before this video ends. All right, Adam, quiz time. 5 questions all about today's core 100.
Ready?
Question 1. Using only today's words, tell me your name.
I am Adam.
Perfect. Question 2. Ask me where I live, using today's words only.
Where do you live?
Excellent. Question 3. Tell me something is difficult but important, using today's words.
This is hard, but it is important.
Wonderful. Question 4. Politely ask for help, using today's words.
Please help me.
Perfect. And question 5. How do you feel about the size of English vocabulary now compared to the start of today?
Honestly, at the start, it felt infinite and overwhelming. Now, I understand that a small, powerful core does most of the real work, and everything else builds on top of that foundation. It doesn't replace it.
5 for 5, Adam. Beautifully answered. Now, 5 tips to actually use this list starting today. Tip number 1. Don't try to memorize all 100 words as an isolated list, since combining them into real sentences, like we did today, builds far stronger memory than repetition alone. Tip number 2, pick just 10 new sentences today using only these words and say them out loud throughout your day, since active use beats passive review every time. Tip number 3, notice these words specifically when you're listening to English content this week, since recognizing high-frequency words in real speech reinforces everything we practiced today. Tip number 4, don't feel pressure to add new vocabulary yet, since true comfort with these 100 words will actually make future vocabulary easier to absorb, not harder. Tip number 5, revisit this exact list again in 3 days, then again in a week, since spaced review, which we talked about yesterday, is exactly what turns this list from information into instinct.
Tip 5 connects perfectly to yesterday's episode. Actually, the 5-minute habit will be perfect for reviewing exactly this list.
That's a brilliant connection, Adam, and honestly, that's exactly how these episodes are designed to work together, not as isolated lessons, but as one continuous system. How do you feel heading into day 17?
Honestly, today felt like being handed the actual foundation of the entire language, not just another vocabulary list among many.
That's exactly what it is, Adam. Let's recap today. First, we covered 10 pronoun and basic words. Second, 10 being and helping verbs. Third, 10 common action verbs. Fourth, 10 question words. Fifth, 10 everyday nouns. Sixth, 10 common adjectives. Seventh, 10 prepositions. Eighth, 10 connecting words. Ninth, 10 number and quantity words. And 10th, 10 everyday social words. 100 words total in 10 simple, memorable groups.
When you list it out like that, 100 words really doesn't feel intimidating anymore. It feels like 10 small, manageable steps.
That's exactly the goal, Adam. If today gave you a real, usable foundation, give this video a like. It genuinely helps more beginners find this challenge, especially people who felt overwhelmed by how big English vocabulary seems. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications, because tomorrow we build directly on top of exactly this foundation.
Here's your homework before tomorrow. Build 5 brand new sentences today using only words from this list, out loud, not just in your head.
And before you close this video, comment one sentence you built using only today's 100 words. We read every single one, and it genuinely helps other beginners see what's actually possible with this exact list.
We're building the real foundation of the language together now, one small group at a time.
Exactly, Adam. You don't need 170,000 words to start speaking English. You need these 100, used well, combined endlessly, and practiced daily. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 17.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, everyone, and don't forget that comment.